Hello, my name is Ivan Loginov. I am TMS product manager of Neurosoft company. Neurosoft company has more than 25 years in design and producing magnetic stimulators.
The accumulated experience enabled us to create NEURO-MSX, a reliable and super fast stimulator of new generation. It's perfect combination of high power and beautiful design.
So, how it works?
Inside the main unit of stimulator, there are powerful capacitors that accumulate energy and transfer it to the coil. The coil generates a high-intensity magnetic field. This field easily penetrates through closer skin and bones. Its impact on deep nerve center, peripheral nerves, brain, and spinal cord, which is inaccessible for other kinds of stimulation.
For example, we can put coil on the patient hand and deliver some pulses, so we can see muscle contraction. During stimulation, magnetic field excites nerves and we can see muscle contraction. During transcranial magnetic stimulation, we can see the same effect. Look, stimulation of motor cortex also leads to muscle contraction. It means that magnetic stimulation can excite different neurons groups.
The advantage of magnetic stimulation in comparison with electrical one is in the greater depth of the effect, while it's non-invasive and completely painless.
NEURO-MSX also can be used in repetitive mode. Like this. So, it's possible to have long-term effect on specified group of neurons. Repetitive transcranial magnetic stimulation has a therapeutic effect in treatment of different psychiatric and neurological disorders. And the therapeutic use in children. Particular attention should be given to repetitive peripheral magnetic stimulation. For peripheral stimulation, the coil is placed over the spinal roots, peripheral nerves or muscles. This technique has proved effective in urology, proctology, and gynecology. It can also be applied in muscle recovery after physical exercise. The heart of our system is the main unit. Large colored screen show all stimulation settings and coil temperature. Also, you can choose one of 5 predefined protocols and edit them. They are stored in device memory and can be used in standalone mode without PC. A reliable connector provides multiple safe coil reconnection. Well, no problem in therapeutic use of magnetic stimulation is coil overheating. We invented a breakthrough cooling system, and now it helps to forget about overheating problem forever. Heat occurs in the coil winding because a high rate current flow in it during the stimulation. We use copper tube winding, and a special cooling unit pumps continuously the liquid inside them. It helps us to achieve super efficient cooling using only about 50 grams of liquid. So all of our coils are lightweight and convenient to use. We supply 2 different configurations of cooling unit. Standard, which is good for reliable everyday work, and super powerful IRBIS for operation in high ambient temperature at high intensities and frequencies. It's not easy for patient to stay without movement during long-term treatment session. That's why we thought of maximum patient comfort. The adjustable chair allows every patient to sit comfortable and relax. During the whole treatment session, it's very important to keep the coil in the same position relative to the target area. For this, we designed a special flexible arm. Using it, you can freely move the coil around the patient head. Then you're looking for the target area. Then, quickly and reliably fix it by turning the wind screw. NEURO-MSX software provides us additional opportunities. The program has got a treatment protocol database with proven efficacy that we have collected for you by tested hundreds of scientific sources. In addition, the patient database, which protocol is selected, which stimulation parameters are selected for it, how many sessions have already been held, and other parameters. The program will automatically set all stimulation modes. You need only to enter patient name in the database, select the treatment protocol,
choose the stimulation site using program prompts, and press Start button. The intuitive NEURO-MSX interface supports also touchscreen mode.
For more convenience, we built in Wi-Fi interface to our system. You can control stimulation settings from any device, even if you haven't got a computer and NEURO-MSX software.
For example, you can use smartphone to adjust stimulation frequency. As you can see, it has changed on the stimulator's display too.
Today, they offer advanced new TMS system. We will definitely comply with every your request. It does not really matter what you're supposed to do. We'll choose the ideal configuration for you.
Diagnostic configuration consists of the main unit only. It is used to study central and peripheral motor pathways. Therapeutic configuration consists of the main unit and cooling unit. Cooling unit allows us to avoid the coil overheating during long-term RTMS sessions. Advanced therapeutic configuration additionally contains the extra power supply unit. It helps to increase the stimulation frequency up to 100 Hz and up to 2000 Hz in theta burst stimulation mode. Such a high stimulation frequency helps, for example, to reduce depression treatment session from 37 to 3 minutes. It's more than 10 times faster. In addition, for clinics that have few patient flow and don't use stimulation at high frequencies and intensities, we developed slim configuration. It includes all 3 units, but the cooling system is standard and the coil is previous generation. The computer and NEURO-MSX software are not included in it.
So, NEURO-MSX is
a reliable solution for daily intensive work with a large patient flow. Unique NEURO-MSX software with predefined protocols. Device which dress up your everyday practice with its modern design and ergonomics. The first magnetic stimulator with Wi-Fi interface. Built-in memory to store 5 predefined treatment protocols. 24-hour support of Neurosoft Service Center. And your opportunity to discover a new era of diagnostic and therapy of many intractable psychiatric and neurological diseases.